Hey everybody, John Gamaris here. I wanted to show how small local companies, small or large, doesn't matter, but I wanted to show how local businesses can still create traction, business, sales, all by doing simple little things. I'm a digital marketing professional, so what I do is always apply everything to looking at engagement, looking at sales, and generating leads. What I decided to do is, in the sense of community, I live in Cranford, so wanted to show Cranford Strong and the downtown businesses what they can do. Here's an example of something a local business can do. I was not paid. I am not an affiliated or required to help this business, but I figured I eat there. I know the owners, they're very friendly, and would like to give back in my own little way. So what I decided to do was pick Big Apple Pizza. Here we go. Decided to pick Big Apple Pizza and show them a way to generate more sales. And not only that, but also show a way to help the community by driving more donations. What I did is I grabbed the logo from the pizza, from Big Apple Pizza. I grabbed the URL from Facebook and Instagram. In addition to that, I grabbed the contact information, phone number, street address, and email. And I pulled all that together and built a nice little website. Now, I made up, in full disclosure, I made this up. This is not a special or an order or anything that I've spoken to the owners about. I'm just throwing it out there. So, what I did is I created this website, and it's a promotion to make your own pizza. Basically saying, hey, need something new to do with the kids, wondering what to cook for tonight, and then make your own pizza at home. Now, this is all on the premise that they would provide you with all the ingredients. I'm sure they could. And then they even would have a video, and I'm sure Izzy would be more than happy to record a video about cooking pizza. Um, if you scroll down a little bit farther, they're going to provide all the necessary ingredients. They will have toppings. You pick your sauce, you pick the crust, thick, thin. I don't know what goes into it, so I'm sure they could provide it. And now you're just going to have to add some music and then share your pictures of making this pizza. Essentially, we go through the process of bored and tired, right, to having fun and making the pizza to celebrating the after fact. Um, Again, this is something that just about any company can do in town, whether it's build your own burgers, do your own nails, your own hair care kit. Obviously the images change, the narrative will change, but the biggest thing that you need to remember here is that you're connecting your existing customer base with something that you already have. It's just that they're not able to come in now. So I can't sit there and have pizza with Mike and Izzy. So if they could provide me with all the ingredients, I could make my own at home with my family. Um, Here you also see, we have the ingredients, you have the cooks, loads of members with the family to be had, their address, phone number, Big Apple Pizza, link to the website, link to Facebook and Instagram. So now if you click on any of these order now buttons, okay, you're going to have a pop-up, make your own pizza delivered, fill out the form below. So now you're just going to put in the general information, your name, your phone number, your email address, what you want on your pizza, submit it, and that's 90% of all you need to do. Now you're generating orders. I didn't set up payment processing. I didn't set up email responders. There is nothing glitzy and glamorous with this website. But everybody that goes to it wants a do it at home pizza. They're going to order a do it at home pizza, not have to worry about payment details until they get here. Your project is almost ready. Step one. Now, if you tied in a payment integration, like let's say, not payment, email. So let's say that Big Apple Pizza did want to email you right away. Well, they would send you detailed information or come over here and click the button to call. This works in mobile screens. Also, I want you to share your pictures on social with hashtag pizza at home. I mean, that's huge. If we can do, imagine how Cranford could build out a whole community page of pizza at home and showing everybody twirling pizza the way Izzy throws it around. But wait, there's more. Like it's the OxyClean commercial. But wait, we've got more. Help support Cranford families by donating a slice or a pie. Hashtag Cranford Strong. click below and say, I want to donate. So this button will initiate a call to Big Apple Pizza. At that point, just tell them you want to donate, and they'll work out the details with you. Again, as I said before, this is completely made up. I did not consult Big Apple. They do not have this website. This is mine. However, I would offer it to them and anybody else that's looking to help the community and help people do stuff at home. So here's a great template of a do it at home solution. If you're interested in how to do this, if you want to learn more about the website, if you are a business owner and you'd like to take part in, I plan to do one of these a week until we're out of the COVID-19 quarantine. So if you would like to be next week's featured business, email me at john@amigolabs.com. That's labs with a Z. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Hope this was helpful. Take care.